Réunion Island is an overseas department and region of France located in the Indian Ocean, east of Madagascar. The island was initially named Bourbon Island during the French colonial period until it was renamed Réunion in 1793. Réunion is known for its stunning volcanic landscapes, including the active Piton de la Fournaise, one of the world's most active volcanoes. Piton de la Fournaise rises to 2,632 meters, 8,740 feet, and frequently erupts, attracting volcanologists and tourists alike. The island experiences a tropical climate, which results in lush vegetation and diverse ecosystems. Réunion is home to several natural reserves, including the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Pitons, Cirques, and Ramparts of Reunion Island. The capital city of Réunion is Saint Denis, located on the north coast of the island. Saint Denis is named after Saint Denis, the patron saint of France. The city has a unique blend of cultures, influenced by French, African, Indian, and Chinese heritage. The architecture in Saint Denis reflects these diverse cultural influences, featuring colonial-era buildings alongside modern structures. The Saint Denis Market is a vibrant hub where locals sell fresh produce, spices, and handcrafted goods. La Réunion is famous for its diverse and rich cuisine, featuring dishes such as curry, rougale, and samosas. The island has a mix of languages spoken, with French being the official language, while Creole is widely used in daily life. Réunion's population is a melting pot of different ethnicities, including Africans, Indians, Chinese, and French settlers. The island has a high literacy rate, thanks to its educational system influenced by France. The beautiful beaches of Réunion are often less crowded than those in neighboring islands like Mauritius. Saint Denis hosts a number of annual festivals celebrating local culture, including the music-focused Sakifo Festival. La Maison de Civilisations et de l'Unité Réunionnaise in Saint Denis is a cultural center showcasing the island's heritage. The island is a popular destination for hiking, with many trails leading to breathtaking views and natural wonders. Réunion is renowned for its diverse fauna, including unique species like the Réunion ibis, which is now extinct. Outdoor sports such as paragliding, canyoning, and surfing attract adventure enthusiasts to the island. Réunion's waterfalls, like the famous Cascade de la Rivière Langevin, are stunning natural attractions. The island's volcanic soil contributes to its rich agricultural sector, particularly in sugar cane production. Réunion's sugarcane fields cover about 60% of the island's agricultural land. The island's lush vegetation is also home to endemic plant species, of which many can only be found on Réunion. The beach of St. Gilles at the western coast is famous for its beautiful lagoon and coral reef. Réunion is also known for its rum production, particularly the locally made rum orange, a spiced rum infused with fruits and herbs. The island has a well-developed network of trails for exploring its national parks and unique landscapes. The Cirque de Mafate, one of the island's 3 volcanic cirques, can only be accessed by foot or by helicopter. Reunion's economy relies on agriculture, tourism, and the fishing industry. The island's beaches are often lined with volcanic sand, giving them a unique look compared to typical sandy beaches. Reunion is home to the largest variety of orchids in the Indian Ocean. The island has a rich tradition of music, including maloya, a genre that originated from African slaves. The local art scene in Saint Denis is vibrant, showcasing both traditional crafts and contemporary works. Reunion's flora and fauna have resulted in the island being designated as a biodiversity hotspot. The island has several historic sites and monuments that reflect its colonial past. The architecture in Saint Denis includes the impressive Cathedral of Saint Denis, dating back to the 19th century. Reunion enjoys a vibrant nightlife scene, particularly in Saint Denis, with music and dance at local bars and clubs. The island's transport system includes buses, making it accessible for tourists wishing to explore. The Reunion Island Marathon is a popular event, attracting runners from around the world. The local government promotes sustainable tourism to preserve the island's natural beauty.